garden and I'm gonna cut some things to make cute flower crowns. I'm gonna start over here because this is a perfect green to use as our flower crown base. So give me a second, I gotta set this down. Don't look at my dress. I got some really great greenery here. It's gonna be gorgeous as our base. Put that in some water so it doesn't wilt. You know what? Let's go to the honeysuckle. This beautiful honeysuckle. I wish you could smell this. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. I'm thinking there's not a ton blooming right now in the garden, but there's so much greenery, and flower crowns don't always have to have a ton of blooming flowers. I think they can be just as beautiful with greenery. So maybe I just keep getting some different interesting greens to work with. I just had a thought. I have a couple of houseplants inside that I can cut from that would make this flower crown so perfect. I was thinking, since I don't have a lot blooming in the garden, I could cut some dried hydrangea and add it to my flower crown. And I even have some beautiful nandina, which would look really great in a flower crown. Okay, so I gave my nandina a trim, and I got this stuff, and it's gonna be perfect. And I trimmed the hydrangea, and I can make these smaller. That'll just give it some interest for sure. We'll get outside and make this flower crown. Oh my gosh, this is gonna make our flower crown so beautiful!
My flower crown.
You are so sweet. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna use it. So you picked me beautiful little daisies? Those are gonna be, that's what I was missing. That was the ingredient that was missing. So this is what I picked from our garden, and we're gonna make some cute flower crowns for you to wear. You ready? Okay, I got some honeysuckle, got some statice, onion blooms, some hydrangea. First thing I'm gonna do is work with this wire. Can I just fit it to your head and see how big I need it to be? Okay, perfect. Wire, number one. Wire is gonna be the base for a flower crown. And I'm wrapping it in Florist tape to sort of hide the fact that it's a wire. How are your ducks doing?
You're good.
You take such good care of them. You're such a good duck mama. So we have one wired flower crown base. Perfect. Now I'm going to create little hooks on the ends by just turning the wire back on itself. See that? Turn back on itself. Now I'm going to tape that little loop off so there's no sharp edges. A few loops around. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Do the other side.
I'll be right back.
Okay, girl, I'm here. Get ready for your flower crown debut. If you want to put on a pretty dress, I won't be mad. Oh, you're going to play in the muddy puddles? I'm jealous. I want to play in the muddy puddles. Oh, I'm working. Okay, there we go. What wire? There's no wire here. Now we're going to add greenery to it and hide the thing that was hiding the wire. It's just a series of hiding things. So I'm going to start by taking this nandina that I snipped from my plant inside, and I'm just going to start attaching it to my wire. She always finds the puddles. So I've attached my nandina, and I'm just going to work my way along the wire. I'm working with Florist tape here. When you stretch it, it releases the adhesive and sticks to itself. This is the one thing, it's like, what would you take to a deserted island? This is my Florist mascara. Never leave home without it. I'm gonna add in some of this honeysuckle. The blooms have pretty much expired, but the greenery is still really lovely. So I've attached the end, and now I'm just working my way along, attaching the rest of that honeysuckle to the wire. We'll do one more bit of honeysuckle on the other side. Oh, it's like a cartoon. So we have our honeysuckle and our nandina on here, all the green base, and now we can start adding some flowers. What do you guys think? Don't all talk at once. Is this cute or what? Yes? Amazing! These dried hydrangeas are so pretty. Trim a little more off. This is so cute on Hattie. Oh my gosh, come on. I'm gonna just add in special little blooms that she brought to me without me asking. Heart exploding. Oh, hi lady. So there's our little daisy in there, super cute. Right, Iris? Do you think that's cute? She said, yeah. That's my dad joke. Cutest little flower crown you ever did see. Hattie, do you want to try this on? Yeah? Come here. Come over here. I gotta see you in the light. Let me see ya. What color ribbon do you want? Pink or white?
Pink.
Okay, so turn around for Mama.
How do you attach it to my head?
How do I attach it to your head?
Yeah.
Just this little ribbon. Turn around, my love. Let me see.